Welcome to Kkkids.
Please tell me that's not a baseball. Wait, that's chocolate?
Of course it is.
Why does chocolate need stitches?
Today we're playing for the ultimate prize.
And you're bringing broccoli? Chocolate broccoli.
That's somehow worse. Mine is healthy.
Grandma, it is literally chocolate.
Exactly.
Exactly, healthy chocolate.
That's not how vegetables work.
Stand aside, amateurs! Ladies, prepare to witness nearing,
Why does your chocolate have wheels?
because ordinary chocolate is boring. Observe.
That was it?
It was a very important 6 inches.
Enough showing off. What's the game?
Find the hidden prize.
Hidden where?
Somewhere on this table. Behold!
Whoa!
Now that's my kind of treasure.
Is that crown chocolate too?
Every delicious piece.
And whoever solves the puzzle gets it?
Correct!
I'm winning.
I'm winning. Keep dreaming.
No tasting!
I wasn't tasting.
You were absolutely tasting.
I was investigating. Are you going to eat all that chocolate?
3 chocolates.
3 keys and 3 chances to win?
Exactly. Each chocolate contains a clue.
And one clue leads to the crown.
So we just break the chocolates?
Carefully.
Careful chocolate breaking. Got it.
You have 90 seconds
90?
That's plenty.
for eating. Not solving.
Ready?
Ready?
Chocolate champions, go!
Heavy. And something's inside.
Then stop talking and open it.
Mine sounds hollow.
That's a clue.
How do you know?
Because I have 80 years of experience.
Come on, crack! I found something!
A key?
Maybe.
Don't celebrate yet.
Golden key!
1 down, 2 to go.
Wait, why are there 3 keys?
Because 1 key isn't enough.
You could have told us that.
Where's the fun in that?
He's enjoying this too much. All right, Broccoli, don't embarrass me.
You're talking to your chocolate again.
It's called teamwork. Let's see what's inside this little broccoli.
Looks like you two are getting along.
Maybe Broccoli is my new favorite teammate.
I'll stick with chocolate.
Ha! Got you.
2 keys!
Only 1 key left.
And it must be in the roller skate. Roller skate.
Probably. I like surprises.
Chef Marco?
Yes?
Why are you walking backward?
You're hiding.
You're hiding. You're literally behind the table.
I was checking the floor.
The floor isn't hiding your key.
You don't know that. Fine! I shall conquer the skate.
Please don't eat it.
No promises. Prepare yourself.
For what?
The greatest chocolate crack in history.
Just open the skate.
Nothing.
Still nothing.
Thank you, Lily. Why won't you crack?
Maybe it doesn't like you.
I think the skate has standards.
Everyone is against me. Wait,
What?
the laces. Aha!
Where's the key?
Marco?
We have a small problem. Empty.
Completely empty?
Not even a crumb.
Now that's suspicious.
We have 2 keys.
But we need 3.
So where's the last one?
So where's the last one? Wait!
What?
Look underneath. The keys aren't just keys.
They're puzzle pieces.
So the 3rd piece must be hidden somewhere else.
Exactly. Let's try this.
but we're still missing one.
Where would you hide a key? Somewhere nobody would look. That's not helpful.
Hold on.
You found something?
The wheel!
Wow! The wheel!
Found it!
Hurry! Check the timer. How much time? We did it!
We actually did it!
I never doubted us.
You hid behind the table. The crown!
Go, go, go!
Nobody eat anything.
Nobody eat anything until we win. That rule is getting harder. Please work. It worked!
What's inside?
I don't know.
Then nobody move.
Why?
Because dramatic moments need silence.
Whoa!
Now that is a prize.
Chocolate champions!
So, who won?
Everyone.
Best challenge ever.
Can we do this again tomorrow? Absolutely not. Definitely.